This time, I will vlog how I monetize. So, come and join me and let's discuss the monetization process. So, this is Charlie of E.D.S Mix Vlogs. Please stay tuned. Thank you. So welcome back. So let's find out the 6 frequently questions about Google AdSense. Number 1, what is AdSense verification PIN? Number 2, when will my PIN arrive? Number 3, when do I need to enter my PIN? Number 4, where can I enter my PIN? Number 5, what if my PIN doesn't receive within 2 to 4 weeks period time? And number 6, what if my address is wrong? So guys, number 1, what is Google AdSense verification PIN? So Google requires you to verify your address before sending payments. Once you receive a minimum threshold of earnings, at least $10, your AdSense will mail you a personal identification number or PIN with your payment address. Once you receive your PIN, you'll then to enter it into your AdSense account. If you enter it correctly, your account will be verified and you will start receiving your payments. PIN is sent by postal service. You will need to enter this PIN into your Google AdSense account to verify your address. Please note that your PIN is a 6-digit number that requires you when your account reaches verification threshold. Your PIN is not as the same as your publisher ID. Please only enter a correct PIN number in your PIN verification card. You do not enter random numbers. If you enter your PIN incorrectly for 3 times, your account will be stopped showing ads. So I'm gonna show you my Google AdSense PIN that I received. So my PIN arrived for 5 days only. So number 2, when will my PIN arrive? Your PIN is sent by standard mail after you reaches the minimum verification threshold of $10 for the first time. For US, the threshold is $10. For Singapore is $10. For country of Vietnam and China, the PIN is sent from Singapore. So my channel E.D.S Vlogs is addressed to Singapore, therefore my PIN arrived within 5 days. It may arrive usually 2 to 4 weeks, but it may take longer depending on the postal service in your country. Number 3, when do I need to enter my PIN? So you enter your PIN within 4 months from the date your first PIN is generated to enter it into your account. If you haven't entered it in 4 months, ads will stop sharing on your channel. Number 4, where can I enter my PIN? When you receive your PIN, enter it into your account information page on your Google AdSense account. Number 5, what if my PIN doesn't arrive within 2 to 4 weeks period time? You can request a replacement PIN if it hasn't arrived for 4 weeks. It is possible that your PIN will fail to reach you depending on your location, depending on the postal services as well. If you don't receive your PIN after 4 weeks, you can request a replacement PIN. And number 6, finally, what if my address is wrong? Make sure your payment address in your AdSense account is correct or change it. If there's any errors in your address, or if you move into a new address, you will need to change the payment address within your account. So, minimum eligibility requirements to join on how to monetize your channel. So, the YouTube monetization policies are a collection of policies that allow you to monetize on YouTube. As a YouTube partner, your agreement including YouTube partner program policies require compliance with these monetization policies to potentially earn money on YouTube. Number 1, live in a country or region where the YouTube partner program is available. Number 2, have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Number 3, have more than 1,000 subscribers. And number 4, have a linked AdSense account. For YouTube Partner Program application requirements, everyone who meets thresholds can apply for YouTube Partner Program, but you don't need to meet some of those guidelines to be considered. Make sure your channel follows those policies and guidelines when you apply. You'll get through a standard review process to check whether your channel meets the policies and guidelines. Channels that meet those policies and guidelines will be accepted into the program. They are also constantly checked channels in the program to make sure they continue to meet the policies and guidelines. Next would be enable step verification for your account, which means your protect account with both password and second device. Not having two-step verification may cause a delay in your application review, so recommend you to enable two-step verification to your Google account. As I mentioned earlier, have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public valid watch hours. When YouTube assess channels for the YouTube, when you reach this threshold, usually means that you have more content. That threshold helps you make a more informed decision about whether your channel meets the policies and guidelines. You can apply for YouTube Partner Program once you reach this threshold. First, you will tick YouTube Partner Program terms. You can be notified when you reach the subscriber and publish hours. Once your channel meets this threshold, follow these instructions. First, sign in to YouTube website, click the profile picture and then YouTube Studio. In the left menu, click Monetization as you can see the $sign. If you're under the threshold, click Notify Me when I am eligible. Get an email notification. You will receive an email when reach the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. If you meet the threshold, click Start on the Review Partner Program Terms card. Once you've ticked the term, it will remark this step with a green dot. Tick on the Review Partner Program Terms card. Make sure you only have one AdSense account as a part of your application. Click Start on the Sign Up Google AdSense card. If you already have an AdSense account, use the one that's already approved. You can link as many of your channels as you want to the single AdSense account. If you don't have an AdSense account, you can create one. Once you've connected your AdSense, make sure this step marked with a green tongue sign on the sign up for Google AdSense card. Get reviewed once you tick the YouTube Partner Program terms and connect an AdSense account. Your channel will automatically be in a review queue. The automated systems and human reviewers will then review your channel's content to check whether your account has followed all those guidelines. You can check your application status anytime through your registered YouTube email. Finally, if you're accepted into YouTube Partner Program, you will receive an email from the YouTube. For me, I received this email. Congratulations, your YouTube channel, E.D.S Mix Vlogs, has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. If you're rejected from the YouTube Partner Program, the reviewers found that a significant portion of your channel doesn't meet those policies and guidelines. You can reapply 30 days after your rejection. Your application will put into queue once you are reapplied for 30 days. that's it, and have a good day. Thank you for watching E.D.S Vlogs. So please support my channel and click the notification bell to get notified for future uploads. So thank you and good day to everyone.